In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete your projects using app.photoroom.com. This platform is an excellent tool for creative professionals and anyone who needs to handle image backgrounds with ease. Let's get started by walking through the process of deleting projects, ensuring your workspace remains clean and organized. First, you'll want to navigate to the project you need to work with. Simply click on a project on the app.photoroom.com website. Once you're on the project's page, you'll notice a streamlined user interface designed to enhance your productivity. It's important to stay focused on the projects that matter most, which is why clearing out unnecessary or completed projects can help you stay on top of your work. After accessing the project, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the workspace. You'll find the three-dot menu symbol, a common icon for accessing more options in various apps and services. Clicking on these three dots will lead you to a drop-down menu where different actions can be performed regarding your project. From here, choose Delete. This option will signal that the project is no longer needed. However, don't worry if you think you might have pressed it accidentally, because it's not the final step just yet. To confirm the deletion, you'll need to select Delete Permanently when prompted. This step is crucial for preventing accidental data loss by double-checking with you before removing the project entirely from your dashboard. Remember, once a project is deleted permanently, it cannot be retrieved. So make sure you're entirely certain before proceeding with this action. Now, let's say you're not actually inside the project, but rather viewing it from the Designs page. The process is quite similar. Locate the desired project in your list and click on the three-dot menu right there on the Designs page. This button's consistent presence makes it straightforward and convenient to manage your projects from almost anywhere in the app. Select Delete to initiate the removal process. Again, you'll receive a prompt to confirm your choice. Click Delete Permanently to ensure the complete removal of the project from your workspace. This double verification step ensures you won't lose valuable work due to a simple misclick. Regularly cleaning up your project list can significantly boost your workflow efficiency. Whether you're using Photoroom for professional projects or personal ventures, always take a moment to double-check your selections during deletion to avoid losing content you might need in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for streamlining your creative process on app.photoroom.com. Make sure to hit the like button if this was useful, and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your digital workspace.